Hello traders, welcome back to the Forex Bull Trading Academy. Today is the last trading day of the year and we will be presenting the euro against the GBP currency pair analysis on the daily time frame. But before we get started, click that subscribe button and the notification bell to follow our videos that we do every single day. And to remind you that all the information in this video is for educational purpose only, should not be considered as the financial advice. The euro pound on the daily time frame, well, this is the big picture clearly. What we see is the massive supply demand zone formed since April. And we had it as a resistance, and then on 3 occasions, 1, 2, and 3, it has acted as the support. Now, the last time it got rejected, it also rejected the downtrend trend line, which got broken previously and formed the high near 0.9300. Although then correction followed and we see this rejection and price broke above both moving average, 200 exponential, 200 simple, as well as downtrend trend line. Yet another correction followed, and this time we are rejecting both moving averages. There is no breakout, and it seems like this could have been either the bottom for this correction, or if this low gets broken with a daily break and close below, this means that both moving averages will be broken, and then we can expect the continuation of the downtrend, potentially towards the downtrend trend line somewhere, or maybe lower. But for now, it is still a bullish scenario because the support is holding. We can see 61.8 Fibs is located exactly at 0.9000 psychological level as well. It got rejected, we can see right there, then price produced spike but still failed to close below. It is obvious that we need to hold this support in order for the uptrend to continue. For now, this is the case, and this is why we can expect yet another wave to the upside, potentially quite a strong one. From the current price, the euro pound might increase by 300 pips, which is quite a big number considering this is the euro pound and this is also a daily time frame. This price area or resistance corresponds to 127.2 Fibs applied to this current correction down, where moving averages got rejected along with the 61.8 Fibs, and it also corresponds to the previous high. So this is the resistance area near 0.93 psychological level, which is likely to be tested as long as the support holds. So this is the view, the big picture on the euro pound. Of course, it might change only upon the daily break and close below this level. Since we are analyzing the euro pound, let's have a look at the correlated pair, which is the pound Swiss franc. On this chart, the uptrend is expected, although right now this might be changing, because what we have is the break below the moving average, which is an indication that the trend could be changing. Also, what we have is the break below the uptrend trend line, also an indication of the bearish scenario. And what I do think will be happening is the potential correction that we did expect. So it could be something like that before the uptrend continues. But it is also important to see if there will be daily break and close, this will be an uptrend. But for now, I think there is a consolidation phase that could be taking place. Nonetheless, daily break above the previously made high will confirm the further bullish momentum and might result in a price increase towards 122 psychological resistance. All in all, on the pound Swiss franc, there is unclarity. I think the range trading might be ongoing, so I will invalidate this since we are above the price where we published the analysis. So for now, it's a mixed sentiment and I don't really want to follow that. So closing the chart. And now let's move through all other analysis we did previously. The pound Australian dollar, it corrected down, but what I think, guys, we might be retesting now this support, since what I don't like is this double top formation near this resistance, which does indicate that the selling pressure is there. Therefore, I will have to invalidate it as well. Basically, we published these analysis at the same price when the pound Australian dollar was at this candle. So invalidating, and let's move to the next one. Swiss franc, Japanese yen. This remains valid. Correction is healthy. So for now, I think that the trend should be starting anytime. potentially this was the highest point, so maybe from this point onwards. But as long as this resistance holds, it will remain bearish, although the further consolidation can take place, since we are expecting this support to be tested at the end of January. The Australian Swiss franc extremely bullish. These analyses remain valid. Very interesting opportunity still. I think there will be quite a big rise. The Euro Swiss franc is the same. Well, we had this correction down, although this support will remain to be respected. Now, maybe this was the lowest point, I don't know, but still bullish. And this correction, in fact, could be providing a good opportunity for buyers. Maybe it will spike below this low produced on the 21st, although we need to hold a daily close above this level at 108 psychological level and this low, and then it will still remain bullish. Pound New Zealand dollar, we will invalidate it because pound doesn't seem to be that strong anymore. So what I think, there could be this further decline towards this support uptrend trend line. The pound dollar almost tested the resistance. Dollar weakness could be pushing that price up. So we will follow still, I guess, for the time being. We see if this level will be tested and or broken to the upside. The euro dollar confirmed bullish trend because we had this breakout, so I would expect the continuation towards 126 level, and I think this trend should be starting because previous level of resistance became the support. Let's have a look at the forward time frame. You can see there was a resistance, now it's the support. So from this point onwards, we might be seeing the continuation of the uptrend, and this could be pretty heavy trend in my view during the next 2 weeks. The dollar Swiss franc breaking below, we had a daily break below the support, so I think that now the correction will follow and then the downtrend will continue. The Euro Canadian still valid as long as the support holds. We are looking at the moving average potentially as the support area. Let's see if it breaks below, then we will invalidate this. But for now, it's still bullish trend. As we can see, higher highs and higher lows are being produced. Nonetheless, we must consider this rejection also. Previous resistance got rejected, and we had yet another clean bounce yesterday. So this might imply that there is some selling pressure, although it still remains valid as long as the price remains above the moving average. The Australian dollar continues to rise, very strong trend, bullish trend, and still valid. There is a lot to go, another 500 pips, I think, at least, maybe more. So this is a very, very bullish trend for this pair. The gold, this is the daily time frame, so I'm expecting the second scenario of the break above and then continuation of the uptrend. And we did analysis on the gold, I think yesterday. It is bullish. We had this break above this resistance confirmed, so it is a bullish trend for the gold, expecting $1,942 area to be tested. The US oil, maybe it's finally will start declining, but as I said, it could be a sluggish one. Some consolidation is very natural at this point in time, but as long as this resistance holds, I think the downtrend will be the case, or at least this correction. The New Zealand Japanese yen, so this is a bullish trend as well. We had the break and close above the previously made high, so expecting the rally to continue, and we still have quite a big potential of about 200 pips to go. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the euro against the pound analysis, long-term view. If you agree, smash the like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I wish you all a great new year, a happy new year, a profitable one, and I wish you to become a successful trader. Thank you all for watching, appreciate it, and we'll see you all in the new 2021. Have a great holidays.